Hello ladies and gents, today I'm unboxing the KingTech, well, something from KingTech. It's like the projector headlights for the CBR600RR, produced by Honda. First I'm going to do an unboxing, and after that I will also show you guys yeah, how it looks like once it is like installed. So let's cut to the chase. I'm going to open it. It's packed really good. It has like all these stickers, KingTech logo. So there's all these bubble wrap on the inside. Let's get that out of the way. I think this is like the headlight unit, and these are the resistors. Oh, nice. You got a lot of tie wraps with it, and 3M tape. Oh, you also get some tools with it. And then you have the cables and yeah, this. Then we have the headlight unit. Which is also packed really good. This is the headlight unit for the 600RR from the years 2003 and 2004, by the way. Well, you can like clearly see it is an aftermarket headlight unit. Usually there, well, on the Europe versions of this headlight, there is like a certification thingy right on here. The mounting holes seem pretty good. They look pretty good. Do not adjust only one light pattern, adjust bolt all the time to avoid reflector falling off or damage. Okay. I'm not sure if these projectors are like already adjusted, but yeah, I'll find out once I install them. Well guys, this was like the unboxing, and I'll post another video of it like once it is installed. Thank you for watching.